Energy producers worldwide are under pressure to continuously develop their operations. For example, how to reach higher availability and uptime, how to respond to environmental regulations, how to ensure better profitability in the future. To overcome these challenges, many plants are in need of a recharge. This is where Valmet comes into the picture. Together, we recharge your competitiveness. We recharge your heat and power plants, gasifiers, and other combustion and pressure part equipment with innovative products and services developed to meet your needs. Our committed team, with extensive global experience and continuous drive for improvement, is ready to execute close to you. A recharge by Valmet can improve your reliability and performance by securing availability, increasing safety, reducing operational and maintenance costs, optimizing productivity, developing personnel, building competence throughout the organization, as well as reducing the environmental impact. Through real partnership and with the help of advanced services and products, we can raise your business to new heights. We can help you reduce fuel costs up to 30%. Together with you, we can extend your plant service life by decades. Our rebuilds reduce CO2 emissions with millions of tons every year. Save 5% on operation and maintenance costs. Save 10% on investment optimization. We invite you on a shared journey forward. Let us help you recharge your competitiveness, and together we move your performance forward with good energy.